Tell me the bad image.
Okay.
I think you know. You saw the deputy president the other day talking about him and these allegations of, wife battering, etc. I'm just saying, the thing. I've been an advisor.
I want to hear
Senator, I've been an advisor.
Don't swallow once.
No. I'm trying to be respectful. When you talk about even in your culture,
yes,
that someone is battered by
his wife.
Yeah. Just as an example. And even, I know everyone is corrupt.
What does that have to do with running for president?
Are you serious?
Come on, man.
No, that's baggage. That's terrible image.
Benji, let me tell you.
Yes.
Some of the privileges we have.
Yes.
Is sometimes because of our professions. I'm a doctor of medicine. And I have had an opportunity, not once, not twice, but many times, to attend to victims of violence, domestic violence. Therefore,
usually women.
If we were, can I?
Yes.
If we were to base the success of a politician, African politician, on the family tranquility,
yes,
many of the African leaders would never be elected. They all have their cupboards full of domestic skeletons.
Do you agree?
So you keep out of it.
Senator, do you agree?
Keep out of it.
Senator, do you agree? And by the way, Jeff, this is a major point for me.
Because
this country, we've had a disastrous failure of leadership. In fact, I dare say on this show, and the Senator I can see agrees, the only president who had a clue is Mwai Kibaki. Look at schools today. I know we'll come to that topic.
A clue on domestic?
On leadership.
No, we were on domestic.
Yes, but I'm saying in general.
Don't run away.
I'm saying in general. No.
Your example is Kibaki, and you remember when he was held, we don't know what was being pointed at his back.
And he gave a press conference.
Yes, he gave a press conference.
Yeah, you were there. I remember we spoke.
That is the least moment you can.
And he said,
I can talk about
when family or wife.
But let me ask you this question before. That's no argument. But let me ask you this question before we go to break.
Yes.
Would Senator Moses Wetangula pass the test of Chapter 6 on leadership and integrity?
Is that a fair question?
Is that a fair question?
It's a very fair question. It's a very fair question because the standard has already been set. When President Uhuru and William Ruto, his deputy, were allowed to contest in spite of their challenges that they were facing at the ICC, they lowered the bar. So if ICC was not serious enough,
what is Tokyo Embassy?
What about these other small things? So we have lowered the bar.
I see.
We better live with it.
I see.
The chapter on leadership and integrity means nothing after that particular ruling by the High Court. I mean,
someone the CJ has run away.
Yes.
The CJ with
another story.
And you know that ruling?
Yes.
Has now established an authority in this country. Anybody trying to bar Wetangula because he was slapped by his wife.
You mentioned this case.
Yeah, the guys will refer to that case
as a precedent.
So you better forget it.
So BAT, Tokyo, all that,
it's bad.
It's a non-starter.
Senator, let's not on this show.
I want to talk.
Let's not on this show.
Yes.
Leave Kenyans feeling despondent. These facts are very painful. We're saying that this is a hopeless situation. Let's not justify that. Let's not normalize that. Let's not regulate that. And that's why, for me, in activism, and after the killing of Willie Kimani, I was very happy to go to the streets once again. I put it all over social media. We must have the courage, even as we have these friends of ours in mainstream politics, we must have the courage to say that Kenyans deserve better, that Kenyans must and will have to change the way we do the business of politics.